Okay, so you've seen those crazy AI animated videos all over your social media feeds, right? Ever wondered how they're actually made? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and break down the entire workflow step by step. And the best part, we're going to show you how to do it all completely for free. Let's jump right in. First, just look at this number, 2.9 million views. That's not for a whole channel, that's for a single video made with the exact method we're about to show you. So yeah, this isn't just some fun little experiment. This type of content is absolutely crushing it right now. And with those kinds of views comes some serious potential. Channels that are all in on this style are seeing estimated monthly earnings of up to $12,000. This is not a fluke, people. It's a real, proven model. And here's the most important part, the thing I really want you to take away from this. You don't need a big budget or a degree in animation to do this. The tools are free and the process is way more straightforward than you probably think. So let's break it all down. All right, everything, and I mean everything, starts with a great idea. So our first stop is ChatGPT. This is where we're going to generate not just our core concepts, but also the specific commands or prompts that are going to drive all the other AI tools. So you've basically got two main ways you can go about this. The first method is awesome for just brainstorming, coming up with some general video ideas. But the second method, it's much more direct. You're basically getting ChatGPT to write out the exact image and animation commands you're going to need later on. And check this out. This is a perfect example of that second method. You can literally just copy and paste a command that looks just like this. You're telling the AI, hey, this is the style I want, and it just spits out the precise text you'll need for the next steps. It completely removes all the guesswork. Okay, so we've got our prompts locked and loaded. Now it's time to actually create the raw materials for our video. We need the visuals and the audio. We're going to start with the images. There are a bunch of really great free AI art generators out there, and most of them give you daily credits to play with. You'll just take those image prompts we got from ChatGPT and use them to create your starting visuals. So, what the heck is an image prompt? It's super simple. It's just the text description that tells the AI what you want it to create. Something like a cute robot drinking coffee on Mars. You paste that in, and the AI just, poof, brings it to life. Once you've got your images, you need the narration, right? For this part, we're going to use a free text-to-speech tool to generate a really high-quality AI voiceover from the script ideas we came up with earlier. And the tool that's recommended for this is just fantastic. It's totally free, you get daily credits, and the voices it generates are incredibly realistic. Plus, you can process big chunks of text and even choose from different voice styles to really match the vibe of your video. Okay, so we have our images and we have our voiceover. Now for the really cool part, the magic trick. Let's make those static images move. You've got a couple of great free options here. Digin.ai is perfect if you want to be consistent because it gives you a huge chunk of credits to start and then tops you up every single day. On the other hand, PixAI is your go-to if you're really aiming for that super high-quality cinematic look. But you know what? No matter which tool you end up choosing, the process is pretty much identical. It's a simple three-step dance. You upload your image, you paste in that video prompt from ChatGPT, and you smash that generate button. Now, this video prompt is the really crucial instruction here. This is what tells the AI how you want the scene to move. Should the camera zoom in slowly? Should it pan to the left? Should the characters start walking? The video prompt directs all of that motion. We've made it to the final step. We have all our animated clips, we have our voiceover. Now it's time to put it all together and assemble it into one single polished video. And for this, you absolutely do not need some fancy, expensive software. A powerful and free editor like CapCut is perfect for the job. It's on desktop, it's on mobile, and it makes this last stage so easy. I mean, just look at this. This is why CapCut is such a no-brainer. It's free, it's super intuitive, even if you've never edited before, but it's still packed with professional-level features. You can easily add music, slick transitions, and all kinds of effects to give your video that final layer of polish. So, to quickly recap, here is your entire workflow on one slide. 4 simple steps. You generate ideas with ChatGPT. You create your images and voiceover with free AI tools, you animate those images into little video clips, and finally, you edit and polish everything together in CapCut. That's it. That's the whole shebang. And that really brings us to a fascinating question, doesn't it? When you have tools that are this powerful and this accessible, the barrier to creating content has basically disappeared. Now that anyone, and I mean anyone, can direct a little virtual movie with just a few lines of text, what does the future of creativity really look like?